Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to travel on a budget and save money while seeing the world. Traveling is a great way to broaden your horizons, experience new cultures, and make lasting memories. However, it can also be expensive, and many people think that travel is out of their reach. But with a little bit of planning and creativity, it's possible to travel on a budget and make your dream trip a reality. So, let's get started. Step 1. Plan ahead. The first step to traveling on a budget is to plan ahead. Start by setting a budget for your trip, including things like transportation, accommodation, food, and activities. Then, research your destination to find the best deals on flights, hotels, and tours. Look for off-season deals or last-minute deals, and sign up for email alerts from airlines and travel companies to be notified of any special offers. Step 2. Travel during the off-season. Another way to save money while traveling is to travel during the off-season. This is when prices for flights, hotels, and activities are often much lower than during peak season. In addition to saving money, traveling during the off-season can also mean fewer crowds and a more authentic travel experience. Just be aware that some attractions or tours may be closed during this time, so do your research before you go. Step 3. Use budget-friendly transportation. Transportation can be one of the biggest expenses when traveling, but there are several budget-friendly options to consider. Look for discount airlines or use travel comparison sites to find the cheapest flights. You can also consider traveling by train or bus, which can be a more affordable and scenic option. And don't forget about walking or biking, which can be a great way to explore a new city and save money at the same time. Step 4. Find affordable accommodation. Accommodation is another major expense when traveling, but there are many ways to find affordable options. Hostels and guest houses are a great option for budget travelers, as they often offer dorm-style rooms or private rooms at a fraction of the cost of a hotel. You can also consider alternative options like Airbnb, camping, or house sitting. Just be sure to read reviews and do your research to ensure the accommodation is safe and meets your needs. Step 5. Eat like a local. Food can also be a major expense when traveling, but there are ways to save money and still enjoy local cuisine. Look for local street food or markets, which often offer delicious and affordable options. You can also buy food at a grocery store and prepare your own meals, which can be a great way to save money and try local ingredients. Step 6. Take advantage of free activities. Finally, take advantage of free activities when traveling. Many museums, parks, and cultural attractions offer free admission, so do your research to find out what's available in your destination. You can also explore the outdoors, take a free walking tour, or attend a local event or festival. Use a travel rewards credit card. A travel rewards credit card can be a great way to earn points or miles that can be redeemed for free flights, hotel stays, or other travel expenses. Just be sure to use the card responsibly and pay off your balance each month to avoid high interest charges. Consider alternative destinations. Popular tourist destinations can be expensive, so consider alternative destinations that are less crowded and more affordable. For example, if you want to visit Europe, consider Eastern European countries like Hungary or Croatia, which are often less expensive than Western European destinations. Look for free walking tours. Many cities offer free walking tours, which can be a great way to explore a new city and learn about its history and culture. Just be sure to tip the guide if you enjoyed the tour. Travel with a group. Traveling with a group can help you save money on accommodation and transportation, as you can split the cost with your travel companions. You can also consider booking a vacation rental or Airbnb with a group to save on accommodation costs. Use public transportation. Taxis and car rentals can be expensive, so consider using public transportation instead. Many cities offer affordable and efficient public transportation options like buses, trains, and subways. Shop at local markets. If you're looking for souvenirs or gifts, skip the tourist shops and head to a local market instead. You'll often find unique and handmade items at a fraction of the cost. Find the lowest airfare, use aggregators. Hotel or airfare aggregators like Expedia opens in a new tab, and Travelocity opens in a new tab, do the work of finding the best deals for you. All you have to do is type in a few details, where you're going, when you're going, etc., and the site will comb through various companies' prices to show you your cheapest options for hotel prices, airfare, and/or both. Your best option may not always be the most convenient one, so be prepared to be flexible in your decision-making. The goal is to reduce cost, after all. But just because you're not staying in the world's fanciest hotel, or flying first class on the most prestigious airline, doesn't mean you can't still visit your dream country. Also consider whether you even have to fly to get to where you want to go. If you're not going far, driving will likely be cheaper. When you're looking for flights, it might actually help to browse privately by using an incognito window, which could help you avoid price increases tied to users' browsing sessions. Another tip: don't wait around for prices to drop, because they likely won't. If you see a deal you think is good enough, you'll probably want to go ahead and grab it. One final thing about aggregators: it's important to be flexible with your options. It's not uncommon for aggregators to offer last-minute pricing and deals on flights and hotels. If you're flexible, you can take advantage of some of those offers. Consider cheap destinations. We know everybody wants to go to Paris, or Tokyo, or Rome, or all the other places everyone dreams of seeing. But if you're trying to save money, and you just want to scratch that itch to travel, try to find some cheaper destinations that maybe don't get advertised as much, but will still give you more bang for your buck. Ever been to the beautiful beaches of Thailand, for example? Traps, which aren't necessarily traps, but still garner the most attention, and, sometimes, cost the most money. So be stingy about the things you want to pay money to see while you're away. Maybe limit yourself to 1 or 2 big tours, excursions, or major sightseeing opportunities. Part of the magic of traveling is immersing yourself in a foreign culture, and learning about how people live their everyday lives in places you've never been to. Of course, it's cool to check off a few big-ticket items from your bucket list, but simply going out and experiencing the simple pleasures of a foreign country is a great way to save money without sacrificing cultural enrichment. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing quality or experiences. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can make your dream trip a reality while still saving money. Happy travels! Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.